Hello everybody. In this video I will tell you why should you learn official Arabic. I'm Jimmy and this is Easy Arabic. Welcome once again in Easy Arabic. Many people ask, should I learn official classic Arabic? Or should I invest my time in learning an Arabic dialect? Well, the answer is investing your time in learning official Arabic is the best choice. And here are 3 reasons to learn it instead of Arabic dialects. It is official. Unlike official Arabic, Arabic dialects are not written officially. So, if you are going to read a book, newspaper, magazine, or even search the web, you will find it all written in official Arabic. If you are learning Arabic to be able to read Quran, also official Arabic is the right choice. The same choice comes if you are going to watch the news to improve your listening, because you will find it broadcasted in official Arabic, not dialects.
يلتقي الوزراء العرب في باريس ويواصل حشد الدعم لتوجيه ضربة عسكرية.
One way to improve your Arabic and to learn new vocabulary, expressions, or even full new sentences is to watch movies with Arabic subtitles. And guess what? All available Arabic subtitles is in official Arabic. Dialects are different. Every dialect has its own unique words and way of pronunciation. So at the time the Arabs understand each other and communicate effectively together despite the differences, you will struggle to understand any different dialect which you didn't learn. And the reason is simple, it's their mother tongue. The word hello, which means in official Arabic marhaban. Let's take it as an example on how does the Arabic dialects vary.
أهلا وسهلا.
مرحبا بك.
أهلين.
إزيك؟
عالسلامة لاباس.
I think you got my point. All what you just heard has the same meaning. It is understandable. In all Arabian countries, education is delivered in official Arabic, besides learning it as a subject for more than 11 years in the schools. That makes official Arabic 100% guaranteed to be understood by all Arabic speakers. And if you can't communicate with someone because you don't understand his dialect, you can simply ask him to talk official Arabic, and the problem is solved. In Easy Arabic, our goal is to deliver official Arabic easily and simply, to help you to communicate and read as fast as possible. So please, keep up and subscribe to the channel to get all new videos. And of course, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. إلى اللقاء.